We are pleased to show you the 2019 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, cruise control, fog lights, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, daytime running lamps, chrome rear bumper, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.